Is it for mummy? Dan? Dan? Is it mummy's? Is it mummy's? No? Oh, is it daddy's? Daddy's toy? No? Hannah's toy? Is it for Hannah?